Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device path or files. You may not have the appropriate permission of to access the item. Then you hit the OK to close that. Then I give some steps one by one. Follow to this problem. Fix it carefully. Don't waste your time. Let's go to the solution. Why are you getting this problem? Because if you does not allow the that file access, so first you cannot allow that file access, then you go to delete that file or whatever you do it, then I go to show you first step. Disable unwanted apps in Windows security. First of all, go to the Windows search bar and type that Windows security. You can click to open, then we can go to click on the apps and browser controller here, then you can go to click on the reputation based protection settings, then scroll down here, uncheck the black apps, then turn off the potential unwanted app blocking, then come to back from the Windows security, then you can go to again check if it is working or not. So, if this try to if this problem persists, then you can go to try next solution. The next solution, Windows allow in your file or whatever, just you can go to select that file XML. I take it, then right click, then you can go to click on the properties here. You can go to click on the security, then you can go to click on the edit here, select the everyone option, then below section permission, the permission section, then you can go to select it all, then here delete, deny all, then just select the allow. If you did, then you hit the apply and save to come to back, then hit the OK to come to back in. After that you can go to right click, then you can go to click on the delete option, one of the part, then your problem should be fixed. And if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. I think I will help it for you. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.